What if I told you one of the worst stock market crashes is almost forgotten today? Most people remember 1929 or 2008, but almost nobody talks about 1973. Hidden inside history is a market crash that changed investing forever. Inflation was rising fast, making life more expensive for everyone.
Fear spread quickly, and many investors sold at exactly the wrong time.
The 1973 oil crisis shocked the global economy, causing fuel prices to surge and businesses to struggle.
Higher interest rates made borrowing expensive, slowing business growth and putting pressure on the economy.
Fear spread faster than facts, leading many investors to panic and sell their investments.
Fear spread quickly, and many investors sold at exactly the wrong time.
History teaches us that markets recover, but only patient investors benefit from that recovery. Every major market crash eventually ended, and history shows that patience has often rewarded long-term investors. Successful investing isn't about getting rich quickly. It's about taking small, consistent steps over time. Successful investing isn't about getting rich quickly. It's about taking small, consistent steps over time. Diversification helps reduce risk because you're not depending on just one investment. History rewards disciplined investors who stay focused during difficult times. The smartest investors don't just study markets, they study history. History proves that patient investors are often rewarded when they stay focused on the long term. The greatest investment isn't timing the market, it's learning from history. Smart financial habits today can create a stronger financial future tomorrow. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Clean Money Guide for more simple finance education. See you in the next video.